Booster Mark with Power Brake Booster Exchange. Today we're going to talk about how to measure a master cylinder rod on a Bendix booster. First thing, you make sure your seal is in place. Next, you go install your spacer, filter down, plastic facing out. Put that on there. Next, you want to take your master cylinder check gauge, loosen it. You go down to the center of the bore on the master cylinder. You hold the pin in place, push the tool tight against the surface, tighten it. Then you go over to your booster. You then come down and you make sure that they touch. If they don't touch, you adjust them. If you're within 20 thousandths, you should be close enough. Once that has been done, you've adjusted here as needed. Then your master cylinder should be able to just easily come down and mount right up against it. And then when it's pushed down tight, there's no gap in there. You don't have to pull anything up tight. Then you just put the nuts on and call it good. You're then set. That's all there is to it.